So is it time to hit the reset button? If you recognize that you've had so much going on, whether it's so much loss, grief, so many disappointments, so many bad decisions, it may be time to hit the reset. Let's think about who can we call? What plans, what projects? Is there something around your house that you haven't been able to get to? Is there a goal that you've written down that you gave yourself a 1 to 3 month or 3 to 6 month deadline and you still haven't done it? Reset. All right. Write me a comment. Consider liking. Consider subscribing. I look forward to hearing what thing or things you recognize that you need to reset. Just choose one to work on at a time. Be well.